My favorite part about visiting my UCSB student is spending time with her and being able to get to know what her day-to-day activities are. We're really excited to get to know what a day in her life looks like, and spending time and just meeting her friends and understanding her life is really great.
We got to enjoy sitting in one of his classes. It was an economics class, and it was fantastic. It actually gave me flashbacks of my time in college, and got a real chance to listen to the lecture and really enjoyed that, and looking forward to the rest of the day and the day tomorrow.
Being able to see her thrive and get integrated with the school and being comfortable and making new friends. It's been fantastic to really watch her succeed so far.
My favorite part is that I could get to see what he's up to and how much fun he's not having, complaining about all the homework that he has. But it feeds my soul to know that he's doing his homework, and he actually showed me his grades today.
We want to see how he's acclimating to the school and meet his roommates and just get a sense of what his life is like right now.
We dropped him off in the summer, and that was exciting, but we didn't get a really feel of the campus and its full student body and how the activity is and the energy and stuff. And that's something I'm also looking forward to getting a sense of.
Of course, seeing her.
Seeing her, for sure.
Because we haven't seen her for a while, but it's just beautiful here.
I don't think people know about the lagoon, and I was really surprised that it was so big, that there were so many birds there. And Ellery said, let's take a walk around the lagoon, and 17,000 steps later, we still hadn't done the entire thing.
And I'm excited to go see one of Ellie's classes.
My favorite part is getting to see her because it's been a while since last time I saw her. Reunite, catch up on everything, although we still communicate through the phone, but it's always better in person.
My best is the weather. He keeps complaining about the weather. It's foggy, it's cloudy. We come. Oh, beautiful weather. I mean, I don't know what the problem is. Well, Parents' Weekend.
For me, I've never been here before, so I'm very excited to be here.
Very, very beautiful area. I love the campus. I love the air. I can't imagine a more ideal setting to go to college.
Why wouldn't you want to be in Santa Barbara to go to school? We're really happy for her.